All right, welcome, guys. Where are we? Let me check. Is it good or excellent? Think it's good. Current bit rate is lower than recommended bit rate. Well, current bit rate is lower than recommended bit rate. Why is that? It is 3000 and current bit rate is. So is that why you're glitching? Let's switch the bit rates. At 4000. Apply. Let's see what's gonna happen. Bitrate is now on 4000. Where is my... Well guys, I'm trying to find a way to fix this current stream. I'm trying to find a way so that this thing stops skipping and glitching, right? Output bitrate at, let's put you on 3000. Okay, applied. Current bitrate is 1900. This is better. Have you stopped working? My chart is currently not moving. What's happening? Trading view, what is it? None of the charts are moving. Okay, only this one is moving. This setup was when? Okay, this was yesterday's setup. Okay, I'm already done with you, bro. This setup went all the way from here, came all the way to here before reversing. So this is yesterday's setup, but then this is where we are. Let me watch myself. I'm trying to see if this thing doesn't skip. Bro, you're skipping still. Why are you still skipping? 1600 bit rates. That's too poor. I've gotten all up onto 900. Okay, this is good quality. So well, I still have a zone here. You can see. Let's switch to 1 hour so that you all can see what I'm seeing. Okay. Hi, what's up with Zao? What's up with Xauusd? Xauusd is just trying to play around. It's just ranging in the same place. But then this was a former resistance that got broken, almost retesting, and then broke out again. So I'm not gonna.
Join the 9th anniversary.
No sound? Why will you say there's no sound?
Turn demo skills into city
So I
landmarks.
still have the zone possible like
Zones
this.
to unlock the 1 million treasuries.
So we might just see like this from here, or from here to here before coming down to here. Just the two things I'm waiting for. Anything closing above this rectangle below here, expecting to fall from here. But then let's be observing. Okay, bitrate is now good and very much clear. Let's see. This is the sell zone, okay? We are currently buying with my community around this point here, okay? Currently buying, but I really want to sell go around here. Take out this liquidity. If I still see this in the next 6 minutes. I don't know why it's this sounding so bad. Hmm. That is it, guys. Where are all these people coming from? Thank you. Keep dropping. I'll keep blocking you guys. This TikTok is something else. So that is how it is streaming in the afternoon, right? This is my first time streaming in the afternoon. Let's see, what do we have? What do we have? Do you have any news? Nope. Is Iran saying anything? Iran revolutionary that wants neighboring countries saying it's over. Says it will. Okay. We only have this low impact news and the rest. Not so much of a thing. I still dropped you to 2,000 and you're still going below that. You know bad.
Stay dry and fresh with Nivea Dry Deo. Keep moving forward with Derma's 72-hour active protection against sweat, odor, and skin irritation. Skin is so moving forward. Nivea is for skin. Okay. Let's go set this chat settings. I'm going to see how you guys are going to do all those messages you're sending now. Restricted all of them. This is it. In 1 hour, it's looking like a buying setup. Go to buy from here to there, but
Then here, seeing it, resistance here that it could respect. So not yet decisive yet until I see this 1 hour also pulling all the way down here and closing like this before then. But I hate, why am I used to this but then. You did not find any antivirus. Good. Hmm. Well, let's just use this opportunity and make some content. Let's use this opportunity.
Only one, which for most things is not a big deal. For example, watching a video. But if you want to do some cool things like, I don't know, web scraping, using code to automatically check sites like Amazon, Best Buy, or whatever, trying to find the new video cards that are coming out, 4090, or a PS5 or whatever. Actually, you may be watching this as a PS6 out. I'm jealous. Actually, I probably already have one because I'm using IP Royal. See, IP Royal is a proxy, and they're super useful for things like web scraping. So when you're trying to constantly ping Amazon, scrape their websites, and see what content is there all the time to see if there's something available in stock, or if you're trying to scrape Twitter or TikTok, trying to get information, get data, whether you're a person or a company, or maybe you're a hacker and you're trying to get information, OSINT or whatever. A lot of these processes are automated, they happen a lot, and because of that, your one IP address you have, you end up getting blocked. That's where a proxy comes in, like IP Royal. IP Royal, you can send your stuff through their proxies, and they anonymize you and give you a different public IP address. Now, proxies are amazing because they do also anonymize you, keep companies from tracking you and all that stuff. They have those benefits. But I know for a lot of you, you're trying to script some cool things. Maybe you're using Scapy, a Python library, to scrape different sites. You can be blocked, your IP can be banned. So using a proxy service like IP Royal will prevent that from happening, and you can keep switching IP addresses. One gets blocked, try another one. Maybe go through a few of them. And again, getting back to the hacking example, I made a video on
Well.
Now available.
Those like I saw it's good wants to sell off from here, but I'm not pretty interested in that. Where are we heading to, and where is our sell, our zone? Is it for the sell, sir? Yep, I'm selling all the way above here. Okay, gold might decide to come here, respect here to start buying. But only when I'm gonna decide to start selling is if this 1 hour is gonna close bearish, but then it's not gonna do so. So this is where I'll be tapping. I'm currently buying good exactly at 50. Okay, it's my community for 650. We bought with my community exactly there. So we're on break even right now. So I'm hoping to see gold react into this setup. Okay, so this is the setup right here. For those that are confused, I'm gonna show you the entry point, so I'm not hiding anything for now because I've already given my community up to 2 setups already today, so all went in profit, so it's enough for me. So there's nothing to keep hold from you guys. So this is the setup, waiting for good around 4703. If it gets there, fine. If it doesn't get there, it's all right by me. So so guys, this is How are we doing, guys? Guys. Follow the creator. I'm gonna still wait. Forget about good, okay? Forget what he's trying to do. Just give it some patience. Might just see good coming here, reacting into this point, and continue buying all the way up here. Okay? So this is the barrier. Good has too many liquidities to sweep. That's why I'm even selling. It has too many liquidities to sweep all the way to the downside. That's why I'm looking to sell high and target all these liquidities here. Let me show you guys the liquidities I'm seeing in case you guys are not seeing it. I can really see it. What's this? Can really see it. So this is the liquidity one. This is the liquidity two. Come on. This is number three. So too many liquidities to be swept right now. That's why I'm looking to sell above here. But just one but liquidity here. Expecting it to go all the way up. You can see rejection on this former resistance here. We have resistance here which I drew. It's rejecting. If it's gonna break above, expect it to go up to that resistance and respect there. Why are you dropping bit rate, bro? Okay.
Cooking oil reduce cholesterol? Yes, rice bran oil can. It is rich in gamma oryzanol that reduces cholesterol. Alpha 1 in Asia and Golden Terra, Smart Balance oil in Africa help reduce cholesterol. Heart healthy oil, the smart choice.
For a tasty meal, choose Gold.
Terra Gold. 1 cube, endless possibilities.
We were traveling
Okay. Well, today is just gonna be stable internet, not just video quality. It's just gonna be boring. I don't like reading on a hot afternoon. Drop frames. So this is what I'm trying to tell you guys. If this is not gonna close bearish, okay, if this is not gonna close bearish, this market is gonna start pushing all the way up from here to my sell zone. Okay, so it's always patience. Well, this is just gonna be so boring, bro. This is it. This is how it always be. When you're waiting for setups, this is how it always be. Good and perfect. Where are we heading to right now? Where is gold heading to? Actually, if gold is gonna close like this, just above here, I'm gonna fake a buy. Bro, my life has dropped, bro. This is coming back to when it was before. What is going on? That is the advantage of my community. Approaching almost at zone. Almost at entry zone. Almost. I'm just still trying to edit some videos. Yep, so I'm gonna buy gold here, and my stop loss is just gonna be below here. This is for my community, okay? Anyone that is not in my community, sorry for you. Um, okay. Uh, of course, gold is gonna buy around here. Where did I drop that shit? Oh, why am I dropping it here, bro? This is the wrong place. This is the wrong place. Okay. I'm supposed to drop it here instead. Couldn't connect. Trying to connect? What are you trying to connect, bro? I'm still active. What are you trying to connect? I'm still active. I'm still active. Okay. So that is it. That is gonna be. Oh, bro. Unable to adjust. What is wrong with you, bro? Come on. Copy and paste here. Send comment. Welcome, guys. Don't forget to tap your screen, share, comment. Okay, that's gonna help a lot. That is gonna help a lot. Welcome, everyone. Welcome. This is me trying to make high risk entry to my community. A bit risky. Manage your risks. Okay, let's see what we have from Go today.
The gold standard of rice.
I thought you said 3. Kickoff is by 2 p.m. Big yacht. Blah. Blah, 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 blah. Guys, I just have less than 10 minutes here, so let's see what good has to offer. Good. That's the entry there. Let's see. And of course, right on live, entry on point. 60, just 20 pips. Let's see how it's gonna go. Setup already dropped in my community. Let's see how good it's. Let's see what good it's gonna give us today. Okay. Okay. What do we have here now? Perfect. Well, this is the kind of people I should block. I don't like rubbish. Alright. The kind of people I should block. Once you just drop rubbish, you're gonna get blocked. Okay. Today is just so boring. Guy, just 300 viewers. This is too boring.
But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go.
As for those asking which setup I gave my community, it was around here. Well, it's just like 30 pips, so it's not going well for me. It took by around 60 and 30 pips. If I'm not gonna see at least 100 pips, it's not sweet. Why all of a sudden now? It's not yet time to end my life, bro. Come on. Not now. Okay? Not now. This is why I bought gold, okay? Because of this 1 hour bullish candlestick right here. So then, but it's just up 40, 50 plus pips. Well, it's actually a scalping.
That reduces cholesterol. Alpha-1 in Asia and Golden Terra, Smart Balance Oil in Africa help reduce cholesterol.
This was the setup right here that I dropped in the community. I did say I told them to buy gold around 60 here. Exactly on 60, and the stop loss was here, and this was the setup for those still asking. So that's why you need to be in my community if you want to get setups like this. Okay, so no, not much of interested in it because it's a scalping setup, and this was the TP I gave. 4700, right? So this is it. This was it. Well, get out of here, bro. Ready. So, good did as if it wants to go to setup. This is my setup for today, selling exactly at this point, waiting for it to get there. Anytime it gets there, take your snapshot and save it for later. Okay, we bought around 60 here, it went all the way to 65, 50 plus pips. That's we trying to buy to the zone. That's that for today. 1 hour today on live. It's such a good day. So of course, as usual, I'm gonna be resting from here. So guys, congratulations to everyone that took any advantage of any scalping setup or marking the zone. Today is so boring because I'm seeing only 300